This tutorial is brought to you by Clever. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a flawless, seamless foundation application using a brush. Now, a brush is my preferred method of application with foundations just because they allow you more precision and they give you a more flawless, seamless finish. So you need a brush that looks like that, anything with a flat end. I prefer to use the tapered brush because it's easier for me to get into all my corners. Taking a little bit of foundation, you can either apply it to your brush or you can apply it to your face. And I prefer to apply it to my face first because that gives me a good indication of exactly how much foundation I'm using, and it also gives me the precision to apply it evenly all over the face. So taking my foundation, I'm going to apply a pump of it to the back of my hand. So that's just one pump, and that allows me to see exactly how much I'm using, because generally I want to keep it light and I don't want to go too overboard with the coverage. So I'm just dotting it all around my face like that, with a little bit more on the T-zone and the forehead. And then taking my brush, I'm going to start gently buffing the foundation in. Now you want to buff towards your jawline in a downward motion. So if you have any fine fluff on your face, it's going to help just to pat everything down. And if you are going in one uniform direction, you're less likely to get any streak marks. And I really do prefer this method much better than using a sponge because it gives me more control with the brush. I have more control. I can get into all those little corners of the face, and I can also get right up to my lip line as well. So definitely gives me a lot more precision, just blending down in very, very soft motions. Once you are happy with the foundation, you can just gently pat your T-zone area if you do have enlarged pores, and patting in the foundation just gives it a little more holding power, and it just helps to conceal those pesky pores. So that is how you get a really beautiful, smooth, seamless, flawless foundation using a brush.